Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to install pulsar's rear suspension in any bike. I've done this in my Suzuki Samurai. It will increase your bike height drastically. It's increased by almost 3 to 4 inches in my bike. So I'll just show you how it's done. I'm using Pulsar 220 suspension. That same suspension is even used in Pulsar 135. It's also called as the double suspension. So let's continue with my video now. It's one of the dirt bike modification series. Let's continue. So guys, today I'm going to install this rear suspension in my Suzuki Samurai. You can install it in any bike guys, so I'll just show you. These are the two suspensions, one is here and the other one is here. The suspension is from Pulsar 220 guys, it's a double suspension. You can see the length from here to here. It's very huge compared to other suspensions. If you install this in any bike, it will easily increase the height of your bike. The height of the bike will increase by about 3 to 4 inches guys if you install these both suspension. You can see, so the same suspension is used in Pulsar 135 and Pulsar 220, and you don't find this double suspension in any other model of Pulsar. So right now let me just install this in my Suzuki Samurai. You can do the same process and install it in any bike. So let's continue. So guys, you can see the height of this suspension over here, this one, it's so small. You can see the length of it is small. So I'll just remove this and install 220 suspension in this. That time we can see how tall the bike will look. Right now I'll just show you how tall it looks. So this much is the height of it guys for now. Let's see how tall it looks after installing the 220 suspension in it. So first let me just remove both those rear suspensions and then I'll install my 220 suspension in guys. So let's continue now. You can see the difference guys in both the suspensions. This 220 suspension is long, whereas the Samurai suspension is very short. You can see. So this is the difference. Right now let me just remove the other suspension and install this 220 suspension in my bike. Let's continue. So right now guys, you can see I've removed both the suspensions which are present in my bike. So right now just go and install my 220 suspension in it. You can see the bike is fully down. So let me just install the suspension.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing.
You can see guys, this is how it looks from the rear section, that is from behind. Okay, and I'll show you the overall view. So right now let me just lift the bike and show you to how tall it looks.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, in my upcoming next video, I'm gonna install different kind of swing arm in this Suzuki Samurai and then install mono suspension in this bike. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. There will be several videos regarding modification of this bike and other bikes. And soon I'm gonna get RX to my YouTube channel and start modifying that also. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, guys. And I've even seen you people commenting regarding how to install this pulsar swing arm, this one in Suzuki Samurai. So do comment again in this video, and I'll make a separate video regarding how to install the swing arm in this bike. Bye. I hope you like this video, guys. So do it a like for my video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for upcoming videos where I'll show you how to install different other bike parts to convert this bike into motocross bike. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Bye.